Greetings everyone. Welcome back to Geeks for Geeks School. Let's continue our course of C programming. Part 12. In this video, we're going to have a practical demonstration of logical and relational operators. So let's begin. So let us look at the practical demonstration of the relational and logical operators. Here we have initialized three variables, that is a equals to 10, b equals to 3, c equals to 10. Remember these as a equals to 10, b equals to 3 and c equals, remember these values. Alright, so first relational operator that we are going to check is equals to. That is a equals to b. Is it true? A equals to b? No, it's not true. So it will return, what will it return? 0. Alright. Next one is a equals to c. Is a equals to c? Yes, it is equals to c. So it will return 1. Then a greater than b. Is a greater than b? Yes, it is true. So it will return 1. Now see, this is a format specifier. This is the format specifier of what? The first variable a, second variable b. The third format specifier is the result of this expression. That is 1. This is the format specifier of 1. Understood? चलो आगे चलते हैं अब. Next one is also greater than. Is a greater than c? No, it is not greater than, as a equals to c. So it will return false. Similarly, is a less than b? No, a is not less than b. So it will return false. A less than c? Is a less than c? No, it is equal to c. So it will return 0. Similarly, आगे क्या क्या है? Not equal to b. क्या a not equal to b है? a की वैल्यू 10 है हमारी और b की वैल्यू 3 है. क्या ये not equal to? बिल्कुल सही. तो ये 1 रिटर्न करेगा. And a not equal to c? No, they are equal. So return 0. Keep in mind these format specifiers. Alright. The first one is a, first comma. Second one is b. And the third one format specifier is the result of this expression. Is a greater than equal to b? अब equal to तो नहीं है, लेकिन greater than है a b से, right? So it will return 1. Either of the statement, either greater than or equal to. Similarly this, is a equal to or greater than c? Greater than नहीं है, लेकिन equal to है, so it will return 1. Similarly, a less than equal to b? No, it will return false. And a less than equal to c? अब less than तो नहीं है, लेकिन equal to है, so will return 1. Now let us look at the results. We'll compile and run this program. Here are the results, and you can verify them with the help of these values. 10 equals to 3? No, it is false. 10 equals to 10 is 1. 10 less than 10 is 0, false. All of these values are with respect to the values of a, b and c. That's all about the relational operators. Now let us look at the logical operators. The first one is logical AND. Remember this table of AND. If the first statement is false and second statement is false, then the result is false. Alright. If the first statement is true and the second one is false, it will result in false. Similarly, false and true will end up false. True हो first statement और second वाली statement भी true हो, तब क्या होगा? True आएगा तब. This is false, false, false. True, false, false. And similarly, true, it will be true only when both the statements are true. This is a logical table of AND. Okay, let us see the values. Values are a equals to 10, b equals to 3 and c equals to 10. Let us see the first one. A greater than b. Is a greater than b? Yes, first statement is true. Is c greater than b? C greater than b? Yes, it is true. So first one will result in 1 after performing the logical AND. Second one, is a equal to b? No, it is false. Is c less than b? C less than b? No, 10 is not less than 3. It is also false. So it will result in false. Now let us look at the logical table of logical OR. If the first statement is true and the second one is true, it will result in true. Alright, if the first statement is false and the second one is true, it will result in true. The first statement is true and the second one is false, it will result in true. It will be false only if both the statements are false. This is the logical table of logical OR. Understood? Now let us see the example. Is A equals to B? Is A equal to B? No, it is false. Is C less than B? 10 is not less than B, it is false as well. So it will return 0. Understood? This is the format specifier of result only, the result that is stored after calculating this. Understood? अब जो हमारा नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, इज ए नॉट इक्वल टू बी? दैट इज ट्रू. इज सी ग्रेटर देन बी? दैट इज ऑल्सो ट्रू. अब देखते हैं कि इसका और करने पे, 1 और 1 करने पे क्या आंसर आता है? 1. अंडरस्टूड? नेक्स्ट वन, लॉजिकल नॉट जो होता है वो क्या करता है, उसका रिजल्ट क्या आएगा? अगर 0 है एक एक्सप्रेशन का रिजल्ट, तो उसका नॉट करने पे क्या आंसर आएगा? 1. और अगर हमारा रिजल्ट 1 है तो उसका नॉट करने पे क्या आंसर आएगा? 0. Let us see the first expression. A is not equal to B. A is 10, B is 3 and C is 10. First one is A is not equal to B. That is true. This expression is true. Alright. But here is not present. That is the exclamation mark. So after the exclamation mark is applied, it will turn the result to false, so it will return 0. Alright, next one is not of A equal to B. Is A equal to B? No, it is false, so this statement is false. But here not is present, so it will turn the result to 1. Understood? This is the concept of logical operations. Now let us look at the results. There is a result. As you can see, all the values are with respect to the initial values of A, B and C. And you can cross verify the values like this. A greater than B? Is A greater than B? हाँ बिल्कुल है. क्या C greater than B है? Yes, बिल्कुल है. And the result of AND operation on this is 1. बिल्कुल सही है, क्योंकि first one is true and second one is true. So the logical operation of AND will result in 1. Understood? And you can check all of the results according to the values of the variables. This is all about the logical operations. That's it for this video. Stay tuned for further updates. For more information, visit geeks4geeks.org. Also, don't forget to visit the Geeks for Geeks school channel, where you can find various kinds of courses that are available, such as machine learning courses, Arduino based courses, mathematics for kids courses, Sprite labs and much more to explore from the channel. Do visit.